Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. If you are new to my channel, I do cooking, cleaning, organizing, all this good stuff. Today's video is a highly requested video. I've been asked what kind of products I use to clean my house, and I will explain to you. What I use. First, I'm gonna start with this. This duster is from Dollar Tree, and it's very functional. I love it. It's beautiful. What kind of rags I use? I use three kind of rags to clean my house. Those ones I use them for dish towels. They're very thick and they can observe how thick they are. Yeah, I love them. You can find them in Costco. And the second one is this one I use it for stainless steel or the glass. It is. And the third one I use is I wet this one and clean the surface. And I keep them like this. So whenever I need one, I just pull one. Yeah. Okay, moving on. This next product is I just find out about this one. It's called Barkeeper's Friend, and it can polish and clean the sink or the stove. You gotta try this one, you guys. Another thing I use all the time is Fabuloso. This is the scent of lavender, and I use it in everything. And another thing is cleaning vinegar. This is from the dollar store. I mix it with this to clean the floors. You see me all the time use this one. This is Orange Clean. It's good for the granite and the fridge and everything. I like it. This is a Wayman stainless steel cleaner. I use this about once a week, not all the time, once a week. And method granite polish. This is good for the granite. I use Glade for the carpets. This one is the scent of Hawaiian Breeze. It smells so good. For the shower, I use bathroom cleaner. It's a bubble cleaner. Dish soap, I use Method. I use a magic eraser for the stove mostly. This is so good. For the toilets, I use the Comet Classic. It's not as thick as the other products, but it's really cleans. And I use Comet for the shower floor. Sometimes to the sink, but this from now on I'm gonna use this one better for the sink. And to shine my dishes, I used SOS. Also, this one is the same thing, maybe better. So those are for my sink. And I use This one to remove any residue from anything like thick for the pots or plates. This is so good. Sometimes I use this for the pots too, for inside. This is not metal. This is it doesn't scratch much for inside the pots. You just remove the. Also use orange clean pledge. Yeah, it's a duster. This one is one of my favorite things. Scrub free. Believe it or not, this one is good for carpets. It has OxyClean and it's non-bleach. So whenever you have a stain, just spray with this one, just rub it a little bit and then spray more and leave it there overnight. The next day there is no stain. What else I use? I think it is about it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time with another one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.